Hello, my name is Paul Gimin.
Yeah, just come in.
I am a Russian fashion designer.
Whatever.
You
You
didn't close the door. I guess I closed it. It's closed.
Come on, loser. Sure. This is your like table. It's reserved for you.
It does not say my name. How do I know?
Like, okay, I'm just gonna tell you like specials. The special today is a weenie platter, $10, and then the other stuff is fresh fish, flour fries, and snake wing. Oh my gosh, like seriously. And the desserts are early bird dessert, snake cake, and dirt and weeds. So you can pick out of those. I'm gonna be like looking at myself because yeah.
Oh my gosh, I have only enough for all of these. I have a delightful taste of freshness.
So, did you make up your mind?
Not yet. So, how much is it for most of them?
It's a lot of money. Duh, I'm not good at math.
Then I will take as much as like $100.
Okay.
Beef up.
Marjo! You're gonna order already because seriously, it's taking forever.
This is Michael. Okay, let's do this. I want everything except for the fish.
Okay.
Fish give me the hives. And I know...
Are you trying to gain weight? Are you fat or something?
Don't compliment me like that. I'm too skinny for my size.
Whatever.
You're not sick.
We'll be right back with your like food. So just entertain yourself with this pen.
The weenie platter. We need the weenie platter. No, dog, come in. You're finally on the menu. Stay here, dog. Don't touch my knife. Get on the plate. Oh, you're so stupid you don't even get on means. Be nice. Don't let Granny Smith know we stole you from her. We're good. Let's go. You're going to get something in your teeth when you eat this.
Okay.
Here's the weenie platter.
Oh, please.
Stay, dog.
You must die.
Where's all the bones?
And here.
You ate the bones?
They're healthy for me.
So, did you like the ketchup?
What ketchup?
Okay. Are you done, the dog?
Yes.
What would you like next?
Do you have champagne?
Champagne? No, but we have carrot juice.
Okay. And I like the snake wick.
The snake wick coming up.
Yes. I am so happy.
Where's the snake wick? Oh yeah, I remember now. Come on, my little friend. Don't slither away. Ew, ew, ew. Now time for the plate. Ew, this snake looks delicious. Perfect. Now, what else? Oh yeah, soya sauce. This will be great.
the snake?
Almost.
Here's your juice. Your snake is coming right now. Ew, don't do that to your reserve slime. Your snake wake is ready right now.
Mister, your snake is ready.
Oh, that's not. Oh yes. Oh yes. So delectable.
Oh my gosh, like, do you want dessert since you ate almost everything? That's so.
Yes. Early bird, dessert, and the dirt and weeds.
Ew. But okay.
Yes.
The early bird dessert coming right up.
Come on, my little friend.
You'll work just fine. Stay there. No. No. Bad bird. You need some lemon. Yeah, that's what you need. No, you bad bird. Stay on this plate. Shade, shade. No, you're bad bird. Chocolate sauce for the early bird dessert. Sorry, that'll look even better. Bad bird. Get on the plate. Bad bird. Be nice for the eater. Here's your utensil, and here's your other utensil. Now stuff them in your mouth. Just
Hi. Just stay. I don't.
weeds you want. Dirt and weeds you will get. Dirt and weeds. Perfect for the soul. You go around the mountain playing with the gun.
Oh, think. I like it. I like it like that. Get some weeds in there. It was very delectable. Do you want your pay now?
Yes. I have to go to the mall with my
Just
friends.
let me get it. Okay. There's your pay. You do not know what trouble I had to get through for that. I don't
Okay.
want to do that again.
Thanks. Like, totally come visit us because we're the best.
No.
Hey, a penny!